India from All Gas News and GlobalGetConnect.com. We are here in OTC as a media partner more than 15 years. So I just stopped here. Mr. Sitaram is the founder of this company, and and she's the director.
Yes.
Radha.
Yes.
Radha Kapoor.
Yeah, Kapoor.
Radha Kapoor is the director of this company. I just want to ask you about your company. So, by the way, when did you start this company? How many years it happened? And this is your first time in OTC. We are in OTC more than 15 years. Okay, so this is your first time. Well, it was a golden era, 2000 up to 2018. Most wonderful OTC that time. Well, now is okay and is going to be more okay. So, well, let me know about your organization, what you're doing in quick and short, and what is your job responsibility. I will ask you.
Yeah.
And I want to know what you're looking in OTC. Generally, I ask the people, like buyer is asking me, I'm looking supplier. Manufacturer asking me, I'm looking buyer, supplier, importer, exporter, trader. We are connecting buyer, supplier, importer, exporter, trader. We are a big network.
Okay.
Please, sir. Sitaram. Mr. Sitaram from Houston, Texas, Katie, right?
Yes.
So
Thank
please.
you, Renu. Thank you very much for this opportunity. This precision is 40 years old.
Wow.
We have started 40 years. We have our own 3 factories in India, in Mumbai, 2 in Mumbai, 1 in Hyderabad. We have our own offices at Dubai, Qatar, and Kuwait. Now, this particular thing, we have come to the OTC because we are already doing a similar exhibition for the last 5 years, that is called ADIPEC.
Adipeg, yes.
In-
Adipeg is in Abu Dhabi.
In Abu
We were Adipeg also more than 20 years.
So anyway, coming back to Adipec, so we were there, and now Radha, she is the founder member in USA. She is the boss in Houston.
Good.
So now the thing is, the potential in India, if it is 100 units, Abu Dhabi is UAE is around 1,500 units.
Wow, lovely.
And we feel that ExxonMobil, Chevron, and all put together will be 3,000 units.
Great.
That is the potential. So I feel many people are not exploring the potential in USA. That is the reason we are here.
USA is the open market.
Yeah.
That
So-
is called America Dream.
America. So that's the reason we have come to OTC, and OTC no way less than Adipec.
Yes.
Because we feel Adipec has copied OTC. and
No,
copied it
ODC
in-
is.
let me-
Yes. Please. God. Thank you so much. Yes.
Well, see, whenever anybody is talking, I don't interrupt because I'll be interrupting their thought process. So instead of coming to Houston, I'll go to California.
You're right.
So Adipec is OTC is no way less than Adipec, and we found it's very good. And we have been not only we have come to exhibit our products, but we are trying to buy many of the things for our own company, for our own business. Now, rather, if
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. And now I'm going to ask her what kind of the target client you're looking in OTC.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
I grew up with these products. I've seen how they get manufactured. So that's why it's my passion to bring this to US here. And that's why we started here in the US.
Oh, it was your idea.
It was all our idea.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Because we have, like you said, we have presence in Mumbai, we have presence in UAE, and I wanted to bring this in US as well. So I've been here for 20 years, and I thought, this is the right time to intercept this market. What I'm looking for again is to fuel my passion of bringing my products here in the US. Is like finding the traders and working with Shell, Chevron. There are 3 different ways of getting petroleum. It's like midstream, upstream, downstream.
Yes.
And our products, our principles can help in all 3 sections. So
Yes.
that's why we are here to kind of tell them, like, hey, do you need instrumentation fittings, walls? We have it. Do you want flare packages, flanges? Do you want nitrogen generators, water treatments? All of that we have. Chemical injection packages, cranes. So we want to make sure that whatever basically it's like Houston, we have the solution. You can come to
Absolutely.
us for everything, whether it's traders, distributors, retailers, in all the EPC companies. That's what my target is right now. Yeah.
Yeah. APC and drilling is very good.
Yes.
You have very good technical knowledge, by the way.
Thank you.
And you are in a sales and marketing, right?
Yes.
What's your name? Nidhi? Nidhi Agrawal. Good.
he is landed.
Yeah. He's our
Landon.
Yeah.
Please come, Landon, here. So, how many years or month or days you are working here, Landon?
This is my third day.
Yeah.
Oh, this is your third day. You're working recently.
Yeah.
You are in a good hand.
Yes,
Yes.
I am. Yes, I am.
Yeah.
They are
He's
very good
still a
people.
student. He's an engineering student. He's interning with us.
That's lovely. That's
Yes.
lovely.
Yeah.
That's
He
good.
learned
You.
in 3 days. He learned in 3 years what he can.
That's lovely. Yeah, that's lovely.
appreciate
If you have a good mentor, you will learn. If you have a learning power, you will learn quick. That's good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Landon, and thank you so much, and thank you so much, sir. You are such a wonderful, and really make me so impressed how you extended your business here from the zero to up to top.
Yep.
This is called hard working, actually.
I don't know. I'm blushing. You are making me blush. Thank you
No,
very
I'm
much.
telling because I meet every year more than 1 million or billion people, I will tell you. But I did not stop everyone. I just watch, see, and that make me, experience. So something I see, something I need to talk to the people. And sorry to interrupt because sometimes I stop in middle because I got a quick idea because sometimes people say, "Oh, you interfering." That's not my motive to interfering because we sometimes reminding stuff. Like it was once upon a time, I can say OTC was the number one in the world, and still OTC is having a more different specialty, I can say. But Adipeg, I know everyone. Okay, Edipeg is from the DMG, which is UK company, and they are doing raw Harvard. Okay, so it still is both having a more different things. Well, anything?
Thank you so
We will
much.
connect you, our buyer, supplier,
Yes,
importer,
that would
exporter,
be
trader.
great.
Stay connect with us, and
Definitely.
everyone see you all social media and
Thank
our
you, thank
website.
you.
And please tell me about your website. Who can reach you?
Yes, so our website is www.precisionengineeringusa.com. You can also go to www.precisionengineeringindia.com to find our details.
And they can reach you out also.
Yes,
Yeah.
my name is Radha Kupa.
Yeah, and our website is www.oilfielddirectory.us and connecting the world business network called globalgetconnect.com.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Renu.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank
nice
you.
to meet
Thank you.